class 9 and today I am here to discuss about modern economy model. We usually imagine economy as money, bank or GDP. But today the modern economy is not just about numbers. It's about ideas, creativity, culture and IP. Firstly, I'm gonna start with the orange economy. The power of creativity. The orange economy represents industries based on creativity, culture and ideas. It includes content creation, fashion, media, and gaming. Green economy growth with responsibility. Green economy promotes economic growth without harming the environment. It focuses on climate policy, renewable energy, and sustainable agriculture. Purple economy, culture with creative identity. The purple economy blends culture with an ethical value. It protects heritage while generating revenue from tourism, arts, or tradition. White economy, wealth with ethical system. The white economy focus on healthcare, medical research, and ethical governance. Yellow economy, knowledge with digital power. The yellow economy represents the knowledge and digital economy. India's IT sector, startup, and innovation many hubs like Bengaluru are shaping the digital future. Grey economy, informal sector. Grey economy may be the informal sector, but its contribution are very true. It feeds family, creates jobs, and keep India moving every single day. And lastly, the blue economy, wealth from water. The blue economy refers to